working on Quartermasters. Starting to sand them, get through that.
Oh, why don't we go outside? It's pretty loud here.
Sure, yeah.
Working on Quartermasters, you know, you said there's like 4 in the shop?
Yep. We've got 2 maples, a red heart, and a shed claw.
Let me guess, you were just working on the red heart.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty red.
How many of these have you personally had a hand in working on?
A medium table. Maybe 10.
So we're drilling holes and marking them.
Yeah, other way.
Yep.
Hi.
Can you tell me about your moldy, worm-eating Quartermaster?
Read about the spalted tamarind Quartermaster?
You heard me. Marking where I'm gonna drill holes and tie these little side rails. Oh man. Well, you tell me, does that look like a natural feature of the spalted tamarind where I dug a pencil in there? This stuff is like butter.
Spalted tamarind is a very unique wood. The reason it's so soft, it's from Southeast Asia. The tamarind tree actually either falls down or they chop it down and lay it in the forest. And just the moisture in the environment soaks into it, mold get into it, bugs get into it, and it gets those dark, rich colors going through it. And it softens up the wood, but it gives a really cool personality and character coming through it.
I mean, it looks cool, but it's the most annoying wood to work with because it will just melt.
While we were making it, it was already starting to separate because it's so soft.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna have to recut this one. It just crumbled like a cookie there.
Well, and we just didn't want to risk shipping it to anybody. Plus, I fell in love with it, so I went ahead and bought it. So we don't risk it getting damaged to somebody.
How do you think that holds up as a table?
Well, once it's all lacquered and stuff, I mean, it'll probably hold up better than like wicker.
I think it's a killer piece, so that's why I took it, or bought it, I should say.
Do you find working on the Quartermasters different than, you know, doing a screen or a dice box or something like that?
Yeah, it's definitely a different process. It's more involved. It's just a more involved process.
Do you like it better or worse?
Oh, I like it more. Yeah.
You like it more?
Yeah, I like involved things and precision things. It's more my speed, I think.
It's called live wood?
Live edge.
Live edge, that's right.
Yeah, it's the bark and the cambium layer. That's the cambium layer right there, and then it gets actually into the harder bark. We do stabilize it so that it should last a while, but then this is usually that sap wood that you're gonna see, and then it fades into the awesome purples and browns that we're not gonna do. So yeah, this is gonna be a Quartermaster lid. Every once in a while we have like live edge, but a lot of the products that we make right now lend themselves to the artistic style and the finishing aspects of the shop. We do custom engravings, people do the mosaic and the artistic work in that way. And the moments that we can kind of like flex the milling artistic style are, I don't want to say few and far between, but they're less prevalent, especially when, you know, the wood that we get in. We usually try to pick out boards like this. These are all our live edge pieces.
Is that considered live edge as well, even though it's inside?
It's actually a branch. This is a branch coming out. And it allows you to get that bark, that live edge. Often with the woods that are gonna get closer and closer to the environment around it, you're gonna see some spalting right there. And spalting happens from fungal growth. So the closer you are to the exterior of the wood, you get very cool effects because the rest of the world is affecting it. Again, live edge bark. Basically, if the bark is not stable enough, we'll there's another crotch wood there. We'll strip it of the bark, and then you'll kind of get this like soft layer like this piece has. And it's not the bark itself because it's already chipped away, but you get really cool effects that the bark has grown from it. So yeah, try to use those products when we can.
My bad.
Yeah,
You're gonna have to cut that now.
Bring your coffee. No,
Yep.
we're starting from there. Hi,
How's
Jake.
it going?
How's it going?
What's going on?
So we're working on some more Quartermaster stuff.
Yep.
I got told the other day that we had like a big custom Quartermaster come in. What's up with this?
It'll be the biggest thing we've ever built.